Hi, this is new Golang video series. This is for Golang for beginners. All the required things for Golang I will explain here. I request please subscribe my channel to learn programming languages and important things. Here we use Visual Studio IDE for coding purposes, writing coding purposes. Here, this is the link. I will provide this. I will provide this in the description. Here, for Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems, this download this download is available. You can download it here. I am not going download because I have already it. Using this link, I will this also provide in the description. You can download Go programming language. After you download Go programming language, you can go this PC properties and advanced system settings, then environment variables, then go path and edit. Please clarify this go bin go/bin path is in the this environment variable path section. Please clarify before you start coding. After that, you can open and you can go to a file location. Then you can make a file. So you can make a folder and also subfolders. Just like this. I'm going to code everything Golang basis folder. Here I can file, open folder, go my created folder. This is my Golang code. I'm writing codes in this folder. Then I open that. After that, I click here to create new file. I write this as main.go. Okay, I open main.go. Before that, with this, I can go this extensions. Otherwise, Control Shift X, I can go this extension and install this Go. If you install this Go package, that is official Go package, its name is Go. Okay, this is the one. If you install this, you can be suggested all the libraries, packages, suggestions, etc. Then I am starting coding for that. Firstly, that is package main. That is the package just like other programming languages. Then I import fmt. This is everything for fmt for is everything for printing, print something, etc. Those basic things. Then I write func, that is for functions in Golang main. Then I open bracket. Then I'm going to print something, that is fmt dot print line, and I write hello world. To run this our code, I go terminal and new terminal. Then I write codes go run main.go. Then my this code is run. I can also write another line, print something this. I can save it, print some numeric value, float value. The output is this. I hope to continue this video series. Why we are using Golang? Because Golang is famous for fast and concurrency comparing other programming languages. These days, this is very popular language. Now, this is first video of Golang for Beginners series. I hope to continue this top to bottom. And please subscribe my channel. I hope to get with touch all programming things to you.